Okay, y'all, I'm scared because I'm about to try the viral French roll style on my knotless braids. So if you are a social media follower of Tookie, you have seen her viral French roll. I will make sure to put a video of it because when I saw it, I was like, oh my goodness, how creative is that? How pretty is that? Like, can I do that? I haven't had a chance to try it, but I thought since I have these set of knotless braids, let me see if I can try it on my hair. So y'all pray for me. So I'm going to be using, the cast is these bobby pins, hair ties if I need them, and if I have to use something else in between, I'll let you know. But for now, I think I'll be able to achieve it with these tools. So to start the French roll, I am doing the base. Essentially, I put my hair in 4 parts. I had the bang in the front to do the design in the front, and then the back I had 3 sections. I rolled the middle so that I would have something to create the bun. Then I took the right side and put it over the bun or the roll, and then I took the left side and put that over the roll, just so the roll wouldn't be super big. So then from there, I moved to the front and I wanted to create that French roll from the front and try to minimize my curls as much as possible so that it would look a little bit sleek. I tried this style at first another way and I just had way too many curls showing, and so it didn't give it that sleek and polished look. So after I got the front part together, the roll and the front part, the rest of the time is just spent making the pin curls. My technique for the pin curls was essentially to take about 2 to 3 braids and put them in a circle. And then I would bobby pin it twice or once if it was already secure in another section. Sometimes I had to go back in and just kind of add pins. But you'll see me do the pin curls in another way where I took 2 braids and I was able to make several pin curls with it so that the pin curls weren't as big as that initial one that you see me making right now. So you'll see here I'm taking 2 braids and I'm going to make an initial pin curl. So this is the first part of the pin curl, and then I'm going to pin that, and I'll go and take the leftovers that are hanging and make another pin curl out of that. And then I also was doing a good job of just trying to I was tucking my curls so that it would give it that sleek look and it didn't just become kind of like a messy look. And I would just kind of put them back in the roll behind it so that they would be tucked away. So for the rest of the video, you will just see me going through and making several pin curls until I was just satisfied and all the hair was tucked away. This style really wasn't difficult and it's so beautiful. You could wear this for date night, you could wear this to an elegant event, and for the effort, it just was beautiful. I mean, I definitely got compliments after I wore my hair like this, and it gave me the inspiration to try other styles with my knotless braids. y'all, I had to redo it because even though that style was cute and we're gonna leave that on the video. Lies, y'all, all lies. I did not leave it in the video because it just would have been too much. But as you can see before, there were a lot of curls in the previous style and it didn't match the picture in the best light. So I recreated it. I think this mirrors the picture a little bit better, has more pin curls. So what do you think?